Thank you very much. It's a great honor and pleasure to join the first Greek Forum on Cancer. A big thank you to the Hellenic Cancer Federation team, ELOC, for the kind invitation, and I'm all excited to join you. As you can see, I'm program manager for the cancer mission in the European Health and Digital Executive Agency, and I have been proudly a task force member between the departments of health and research, developing the Europe's Beating Cancer Plan and the Cancer Mission flagship initiatives. About our agency, since I work alongside with my colleague, Dr. Fumagalli, you just heard, I will only mention about our agency. You have seen a detailed presentation that we are the health and research implementation arms of the Commission. And maybe I can emphasize more on this slide that you can see the overall budget trusted to us. So we talk about an approximate total of 20 billion euro that we're responsible to implement. And maybe please I can draw your attention on the yellow and orange parts of the pie that you can see which chunks of the budget are dedicated to health. So if you add them, it's almost about the half, 10 billion euros in the current framework program invested for health, public health and research. I'm continuing, giving the overall architecture of our Horizon Europe program. I think Europe takes also pride to say that it's the world's largest ever research and innovation program funded, covering the period 21 to 27, amounting almost to 100 billion euros. And in order, you can see in the center of the slide where the health and the programs entrusted to our Commission agency are located. And going on, this program has been conceived and developed with a motto that is evolution and not revolution. So a key novelty, because things they retain stable, that enables all participants and interested applicants to follow up quite easily over the years. And the novel concept has been of the one of the R&I missions. The only one mission in the field of health has been located as the cancer mission that I can allow me to say a bit more here in this slide. It's quite busy, but I emphasize on the overall goal that is to improve the lives of more than 3 million of people by 2030. And the fact that in parallel way, as you can see, developed jointly with the Europe's Beating Cancer Plan, it covers the whole disease pathway, meaning from understanding cancer, prevention and early detection, up to diagnosis and treatment and quality of life. In that way, we have started executing and implementing the programs. Here another busy slide for your future references that shows until now the whole progress of the cancer mission calls to date from 21 to 23. You can see with this nice color code and the overall temple representing the cancer mission, that they have been invested in various areas and in a comprehensive manner, meaning dedicated to all types of tumor, either rare or common cases. And since we are in the Greek forum, a bit for the Greek audience, I would like to emphasize the Greek participation to date for cancer mission. You can see 21, 22, and 23. That are self-explanatory, I usually say. You can see countries like Spain, Germany at the top successful participation, but you see also that where Greece is located, and here I take the chance to leave a question also for the further discussions in the afternoon, that Greek participation is there, of individual successful participations, how I wonder Greece can further capitalize at national level and foster the synergies we have heard in the morning session. Another platform that we have from our internal and following also Ms. Braudaki presentation, it's the Horizon dashboard. Here, I think it's very interesting for all types of organization you might belong. Either you are in the government, either you are in a research institute on academic institute, an SME applicant. You can see how Greece is doing. You can see the successful participants, the budgets, who they are, and you may proactively use the data on as you judge best. And I'm continuing slowly to close my presentation that the open call that we currently have. So as my colleague Deborah presented, European Commission presents open calls on a yearly basis. Here you may see the 6 that you can check in more detail with on your own pace with the closing date on 18th of September 24. And on this slide, another point I would like to say in the very core of the forum is the synergies and how these are taken up by the applicants themselves and how it is a bottom-up approach that is so much promoted. And also from our side, we do promote and we have ongoing activities and we plan future ones. As an example here, I give the concept of clusters, that it's putting projects together on the common areas of interest to synergize. And our 2 flagship projects that we are going to hear in the course of the forum in more detail are CCI for EU and ECHOS. And I'm just outlining here their profile in our Gordis database. And I'm also so much look forward to hear from them this afternoon. And with that, I would like to close the presentation showing our channels of communication and to thank you very much for your attention. Thank you.